Manufacturing is a model that sees you create a product either by yourself or have an external manufacturer do it. For those e-commerce entrepreneurs who have a specific skill or talent and can create a product based on that, they can create an e-commerce business which sells this product for a profit. But this model won't work for everyone because A, not everyone is blessed with such talents, and B, unless you can sell it for a price that reflects the time you spent on it or in volume, you won't make any money from it. If I owed $1 for every time I said, I could rate that, tried, and realized it wasn't worth it. So when it comes to manufacturing, the most common route that most e-commerce entrepreneurs will head down is finding a manufacturer that will help them bring their idea to life. India, China, and Indonesia are really popular places to find suppliers because the cost of both materials and labor are significantly lower than in Western countries, meaning you should be able to get your product manufactured so you can sell it at a profit. When you manufacture something, you're generally creating a private label. The products you create will have your branding both on the product and the packaging. With this e-commerce business model, you generally must buy in bulk and warehouse your product. When a customer buys from you, unlike dropshipping, you'll be responsible for packing and shipping the item to the customer. So what are the pros of manufacturing? Well, firstly, you get to see your vision for your product come to life. You have more control over fulfillment, quality, and price, and you usually get a lower cost per unit than with dropshipping. But there are cons. So with manufacturing, it often requires a lot of initial investment. You need to warehouse the product and think about fulfillment yourself. And you're stuck with any inventory if it doesn't sell. Hey guys, love this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you get all the e-commerce goodness when it comes out. And remember, if you're looking for a platform to build your e-commerce site, head on to the link in the description for your special DashNex PowerTech offer. See you next time.